Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview MIAOLAN 12-foot by 30-inch above-ground pool. At 12 foot long and 30 inches wide, this large round frame swimming pool is perfect for playing a game of volleyball or just sitting and chilling. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this swimming pool. Pool extra strong sidewalls are made with 3 separate layers of material. The inner layer of polyester mesh is laminated to the 2 outer heavy-gauge PVC layers. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this round frame above-ground pool set up in your backyard. Product benefits. No tools are required to install. It's tear-resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. This pool features a rust-resistant frame and PVC sidewalls to protect the pool from UV and abrasion damage. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.